What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video to show you all what you can do just in case you were to have like paint that pretty much got like on your cabinets, like if you was painting or something like that, and you was to get paint on like the paint on the edge of your cabinet. There's an easy way that you can get this paint off of here using a product that I picked up recently. The product is called basically Goof Off right here. It really works very well at getting paint and stuff off of your cabinet, especially if you just have like a few spots and stuff you want to get off. All you have to do is, like what I did right here, I just took some of the Goof Off and I sprayed it into like a little glass. I just use like a little shot glass pretty much, just to spray it inside of there. Just take you some Q-tips, kind of dip it inside of here, especially if you have like a few spots you're trying to get off. Just dip it inside of there, and it is safe for wood. Then all you want to do is just come to the spots and just kind of roll it on those spots like that. Yeah, just like that. Just roll it on there like that, and as you can see, it's coming straight off. So if you have spots where you got paint on the sides of your cabinet, especially if it's close to the wall like this one is, where it's kind of hard to get to it, and you don't want to actually like spray like some type of a paint thinner or something like that, or because you'll get back onto the wall, then you can just, like I said, take some Goof Off and just kind of take some Q-tips, put it on there, and just kind of roll just like that, and it'll take the paint right off of your cabinets. This is great for you to use, like I said, especially if you have like spots. As you can see on here, they got paint all on the edge of this cabinet right here. So I'm basically going to be taking some Q-tips. I may get some bigger Q-tips also to get all this paint off of here. And this works really well. It only takes like a few minutes, well actually less than that, for it to start to loosen up the paint. Then once you've done that, basically go ahead and take you like a piece of paper towel or something like that, and you just wipe it off, the rest of it off like that. Alright folks, I just wanted to make this video real quick to show you all what you can use just in case you was to have like spots that got onto your cabinets, you know, especially like small spots. Or if you have like a big huge paint splatter, then you may want to get a different product. Or you also can use Goof Off to have it like in big spray containers that you can use to get like big spots off of your floor, or if you have really large paint spots you're trying to get off. But for this size right here, which I bought for like, I think it was like $6.99 pretty much, and it's a 6-ounce container, which should last me for a long time because I'm just getting off this paint right here. And this is not like a paid advertisement or nothing like that. I'm not being paid by Goof Off for nothing to make this video. This is actually a product that I bought on my own to use, and I thought it would be helpful for you all just in case y'all had the same issue with, like I said, paint spots or something like that on you all's cabinets. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.